As per RBI, what will be the maximum limit of cash withdrawal per transaction via POS machine? Answer: Rupees 2000. What is the new deadline set by the CBDT to file income tax returns for the assessment year 2021 and 22 by individuals? Answer: September 30, 2021. Which state has launched the mobile app Amrit Bahini to enable booking beds at COVID-19 hospitals on a real-time basis by the patients? Answer: Jharkhand. The Indian Navy has decommissioned its first destroyer. What is the name of the destroyer ship? Answer: INS Rajput. The RBI has changed its accounting year effective from FY22. What is the new accounting year of RBI? Answer: April-March. Jyoti Krishna Datta, who has passed away, was the former DG of which organization? Answer: NSG. When is World Turtle Day celebrated? Answer: May 23. Which minister has released the National Mobile Monitoring Software app and the Area Officer Monitoring app? Answer: Narendra Singh Tomar. Who has been appointed as Kenya's first woman Chief Justice? Answer: Martha Koome. Who has been appointed as the new president of the International Hockey Federation for 3 years till 2024? Answer: Narinder Batra. The 2022 FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup will be held in which country? Answer: India. Credit Suisse has lowered its nominal GDP growth forecast for India to how much percent? Answer: 13 to 14%. The Commonwealth Day is celebrated on which day? Answer: 24 May. Who has won the Artist of the Decade award at the 2021 Billboard Music Awards? Answer: Drake. Who is the current acting director of the Central Bureau of Investigation? Answer: Praveen Sinha. Which organization has won the ATN Glitches Award in May 2021? Answer: Hockey India. When will the total lunar eclipse be visible? Answer: May 26th. Who is the author of the book Nehru, Tibet and China? Answer Avtar Singh Bhasin. Which team has won the 2020 and 21 La Liga title? Answer Atletico Madrid. Who is the author of the book India and Asian Geopolitics, the Past, Present? Answer Shiv Shankar Menon. The military junta of which nation has arrested the president, prime minister, and defense minister? Answer Mali. For what purpose the Ankur scheme has been launched by the government of Madhya Pradesh? Answer Tree planting. Who has been appointed as the new director of Central Bureau of Investigation CBI recently? Answer Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. Who has been elected as the president of Oxford University Student Union in the by-election? Answer Anbhi Bhutani. Who has been appointed as the acting Chief Justice CJ of Chhattisgarh High Court? Answer Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra. Which country's parliament has passed the Port Seat Economic Commission Bill? Answer Sri Lanka. Which country is planning to launch a mobile tech platform in August 2021 that will provide area-related information to Blue Helmet while on duty? Answer India. The International Financial Services Centers Authority has constituted an expert committee on investment funds. Who will head it? Answer Nilesh Shah. The residents of which state union territory are opposing the draft prepared for the creation of LDA? Answer Lakshadweep. Which day is celebrated worldwide on 29th May? Answer World Digestive Day. Indian economist and Nobel laureate Amartya Sen has been awarded the highest award of which country? Answer Spain. When is World Hunger Day celebrated every year? Answer 28 May. Which state government has approved the Property Damage Recovery Bill 2021? Answer Government of Haryana. Under which naval command Naval Dockyard Visakhapatnam started skill development training program on maintenance of PSA oxygen plants? Answer Eastern Naval Command. Which state enacted the Essential Services Maintenance Act ESMA 27 May 2021? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Who is the board CSS Corp unanimously elected as the next Chief Executive Officer of the organization? Answer: Sunil Mittal. Who has received the International Annie Award 2020 for research in renewable energy source and energy storage? Answer: CNR Rao. Who launched the Manipur Home Isolation Management MHIM mobile application for patients with home isolation? Answer: N. Biren Singh.